I will never look at street food the same way after learning this easy Katori Chaat recipe. First things first, let's make our katoris, or little edible bowls. Grab some flour tortillas and cut them into circles using a bowl or cookie cutter. Now place each circle into a muffin tin, pressing down to form a bowl shape. Pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. While our katoris are baking, let's whip up that delicious chaat filling. Chop up some boiled potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and coriander. Mix these in a bowl with some chickpeas, salt, chaat masala, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Fun fact, chaat masala is a tangy spice mix that gives chaat its unique flavor. Now for the fun part, assembling our katori chaat. Take your crispy katoris out of the oven and let them cool for a minute. Fill each one with a spoonful of our veggie mix. Drizzle some tamarind chutney and mint chutney on top for that perfect blend of sweet and tangy. Sprinkle some sev for a crunchy finish. And there you have it, easy homemade katori chaat that's ready to impress. Perfect for parties, snacks, or just when you're craving some tasty street food. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy and delicious recipes. Happy cooking!